Let's explore Factcite. Factcite is split into 7 different modules that Pensbury owns. Factcite 1, 2, 3 is geared toward kindergarten, first, second, and beginning of third grade readers. There are many different categories within this module, and let's take a look at countries. Countries is split up by the continent, and then it is alphabetical order within the continent. So Europe starts with France and ends with the United Kingdom. Let's take a look at France. Each of the different articles has about a paragraph per page. However, sometimes those pages can be overwhelming because you have to click from one to the other using this button. Instead, I like to use the one page feature at the top, click it, and it combines all those pages into one scrollable page, which makes it a little easier for navigation. FactSite 123 is meant to be have students used to be read to. So you click on listen and it will highlight as it goes. If you need to pause it, you can pause it. You also can change the volume here. And there's a gear which opens up some of the reading features like highlighting. You can turn that off or you can have it highlight sentences or words only. You can change the color of the different kinds of highlight. And it also gives you the option to speed up or slow down the text, which is great for those students that need a little bit more time to process the words as they're coming through the speaker. I'm going to click back and go into another part of FactSite 1 to 3 to show you something for those students that need a little bit more information or reading. Some of our articles are linked to regular FactSite, and if you scroll to the bottom, it'll say Step Up the Reading Challenge. If you click on that, it takes you to the regular FactSite article, and that has much more information. So, for students that need more information, if we have the next level of reading, you will see that step up area. Biography for beginners is great because it's set up by why the person is famous. And so it's a great introduction to different people. If we click into astronauts, we'll see it's alphabetical order by the person's last name. And when we click in here, this is geared toward older students. So you'll see there's a lot more information on each page. However, you can still switch it to that one page and scroll through. You can listen to it even in these for these older kids. And the citation is at the bottom as well. So you could just highlight, copy, and paste that and put it into your article. There are a couple other great ones here. US and World Biography is great, but everyone likes goats, right? Well, they're not really goats. They're actually the greatest of all time sports champions. And unfortunately, this is a very contentious place for fifth grade boys because they look at the first person who is actually supposed to be the best, and they oftentimes don't believe that is true, especially when we're talking about quarterbacks because Tom Brady is there. So, welcome to the greatest of all time sports, which we love.